So I've sent bulk WhatsApp messages notifying each loyal customer about the new Independence Day sale, which is of my beauty studio. And do you think that I've done this manually? No, I've just used Pabbly Chatflow to send these messages. And you know what's the best part? That I've sent these messages for free, because right now Pabbly Chatflow is offering a free trial where you can send 100 WhatsApp messages for free. So let's just see how to do this. So to do this, you just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/chatflow in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is powered by official WhatsApp Business Cloud API, so the risk of your number getting blocked gets very less. And apart from that, we are official Meta tech provider. And if you want a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow, you can click on this sign up for free to get a free trial and send 100 WhatsApp messages for free. And then if you like Pabbly Chatflow, you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan using this amazing discount coupon code which is attached right over here. This discount coupon code can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Chatflow. But first, try Pabbly Chatflow, and then if you find it helpful for you and your business, then you can move on further and purchase the subscription plan. Alright, so now just open the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow and make sure to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow before starting with this automation. If you haven't added this and if you don't know how to do this, you just have to click on this add WhatsApp number button. If you haven't added a WhatsApp number, on the dashboard you're going to get a video tutorial on how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. That's a step-by-step guide. Same guide is also attached in the description box below. You can check that out. Okay, now once you add your WhatsApp number, from the left hand of the side, come on this broadcast section of Pabbly Chatflow and then click on this add broadcast button. Now you just have to name your broadcast, and over here first of all you have to select the broadcast type. So select it as broadcast campaign, and let's say for the broadcast name I'm just going to name it as the name of my studio. Now for the contact list, I'm just going to select the contact list to whom I want to send this message. As you can see, in order to select the contact list, we first have to create one. So for that, from the left hand of the side, go in this contact section of Pabbly Chatflow, and from here you can go in this add contact to add the contacts. You can add bulk contacts, and once you add the contacts, you can go in this add contact list to create your own contact list. If you want to learn more about this section in detail, a video tutorial dedicated to it's the same is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I want to send this WhatsApp message to this list, which is skincare test, so I'm just going to select the same right over here. You can also select multiple lists like this. Okay, now let me just move on further. Over here we have to select the list to whom we do not want to send this WhatsApp message, and over here you have to select some specific contacts to whom you do not want to send this WhatsApp message. These fields are optional. If you want to do, you can do it, otherwise leave it as blank and move on further. The next is this exclude contacts in an active 24-hour conversation window. So what is going to happen is when you're going to switch on this toggle button, it is going to skip the contacts who messaged you within the last 24 hours so that they don't receive a redundant broadcast on the top of an active conversation. So I am just going to switch it off because I want to know everyone that this is the new 25% off which we are giving till 15th of August. So that's the reason I'm just going to switch it off. Now over here it is asking me to select the message type. So we have two options, a pre-approved template message or a regular message. So if you go for a pre-approved template message, from the left hand of the side you have to go in this template section, and over here you first have to create your own template. Then you have to wait till Meta approves your template. After Meta approves your template, you can choose it right over here. As you can see, if you don't want to go for this template section, you can go in this regular message too. You just have to choose the message type and enter your message. So I'm just going to use this message. So let me just copy the same message and paste it right over here. In this message, I want to bold some text. So in order to bold the text, we simply have to add the stars in the starting and in the end of the text which we want to bold. And over here, as you can see, I've successfully bolded some text. You can also bold some text and do the formatting of your message so that it looks more attractive. After that, you can see over here is the contact name and the phone number. So before sending this WhatsApp message to each lead-in customer at once, you can test it. Okay, you can simply enter your own name and your own WhatsApp mobile number to send the test broadcast. Once you click on the send test message, it is saying test broadcast sent, so you can check WhatsApp, and as you can see, the message looks perfectly fine. I can share it with all the loyal customers. If you want to do edits, you can definitely do the edits directly from here. Again, click on the send test message to check the new message. Okay, now we have this section which is schedule broadcast. This is going to help us us to send the broadcast. If you want to send this broadcast instantly, you can go on this no send instantly and then add button. But if you want to schedule this for later, you can go on this yes schedule for later and simply choose the date and time right over here to schedule this message. Let's say I want to schedule this message for 10th of August 3 p.m. So I've selected the same right over here. Now it is saying automatically retry for failed contacts. So let's say you have selected a contact list of 100 customers and 270 the messages sent, but 30 got failed because of some reason. So what you can do is you can switch on this button and you can simply set the number of retries and the wait between the retries for those failed contacts. I'm just going to keep the number of retries as 2 and the wait between the retries as 12 hours. You can simply wait 12 hours before each retry, and over here you can set the minimum as 12 hours and maximum as 72 hours. Okay, and I'm just going to keep it as 12 only and click on this add button, and you're going to see it is saying add your scheduled broadcast time. Only the contacts who message you within the previous 24 hours will receive your broadcast message. Contacts outside the window will not receive this broadcast. Okay, so this is done. So I'm just going to click on this add broadcast button, and once we're going to click on this add broadcast button, yes, you can see the broadcast is scheduled, and once this broadcast is sent, I can view the stats of the broadcast too. How many were sent, delivered, read, pending, ignored and failed. Like this, we have successfully learned how we can send bulk WhatsApp messages using Pabbly Chatflow, and right now for free. You can send up to 100 WhatsApp messages for free and then use RITYT to get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect if you find it helpful for you and your business. So go and try this amazing automation yourself in while trying. If you have any doubts, just drop them in the comment section below. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only this, but you can use Pabbly Chatflow to create multiple more WhatsApp automations. And now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I suggest you try WhatsApp automation today for your business, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Chatflow.